Hello everyone, this is Vicky from MAXGE. I'm very pleased to give you the introduction of our injection molding workshop today. This is our fitting room. The raw materials are transferred to each injection molding machine by means of a centralized feed. Through the molding, we produce the products that meet the needs. This is our injection molding workshop. There are more than 40 injection molding equipment, and the corollary equipment is about 80 sets. The whole workshop has realized the unmanned production mode, so we only have 30 employees in this workshop, and all our injection molding machine brands are Haitian. This is the manager of our workshop, Mr. Nie, and he will give us a detailed introduction to the overall equipment of our injection molding workshop.
This is the shell processing area of our workshop. There are 13 machines in this area, and the daily shell production capacity is about 20,000 poles. Each machine is equipped with an all-in-one machine of MAXGE system. After the product is completed, the employee only needs to scan the QR code below with a scanning gun to log into the system with his job number, which can record the production output, production capacity and defect rate in detail, including the reasons for the defect. This is the plastic parts processing area of MAXGE's injection molding workshop. There are 22 injection molding machines in this area, and the daily processing capacity is about 3 million to 5 million pieces. This is a parts processing table, an advanced ultrasonic equipment. Since the introduction of this equipment, we have bid farewell to the traditional manual sorting method. After the equipment was put into use, the excellent rate and production efficiency of the product were greatly improved, and the product quality was also guaranteed. The equipment behind me is the latest CCD image detection equipment introduced by the company. Through the CCD image detection equipment, qualified products arrive at the designated area through the conveyor belt and are automatically sorted into their respective storage boxes, which greatly improves the efficiency and accuracy of product sorting. The device behind me is a smart humidifying room. Using advanced humidification process, the mechanical properties of the product have been strengthened. It only takes 4 hours from humidification to drying. Compared with the traditional humidification process, the production efficiency is greatly improved, and the product quality is more stable.
Thanks a lot for the introduction by Mr. Nie. Now I will introduce the production method of our workshop. The product pressed out by the injection mold is placed on the fixture by the robotic arm, and the shape is finalized through the fixture so as to ensure the quality of the product. MAXGE has strict requirements of the product, like the burrs, gaps, and etc. The product is gradually cooled by flattening to achieve a high quality requirement of the product. Each of our injection molding machines is equipped with a fully automatic robotic arms, which can greatly reduce the labor intensity of employees so as to realize a highly intelligent and mechanized production in the workshop. This is one of our flow devices. The entire injection molding workshop is through the diversion device to realize automatic sorting of the products through the packaging process. This can reduce the intensity of manual labor and allow employees to have a relatively comfortable working environment. This is the management display of the workshop. Now Mr. Neil will elaborate it.
This is the quality management board of our workshop. It can display the assigned tasks, production status, production capacity, and some personnel arrangements in detail. And there is also information feedback here. This is the comprehensive management board of our digital workshop, which shows in detail the utilization rate of equipment, the arrangement and completion of production tasks, as well as weekly and monthly plans, product names, etc., can be fully displayed on it. In order to respond to the construction of digital workshops, each of our injection molding machines is equipped with a display screen of the MAXGE system. Employees can check the arrangement of production planning tasks, conduct product self-inspection, and enhance their understanding of product parts through the planning files and electronic display screens on the machine.
The above is the general introduction of our MAXGE injection molding workshop. Afterwards, we will also introduce other workshops one by one, and warmly welcome everyone continuously to pay attention to our MAXGE.